Yo, what's up guys? Good morning! This is Chloe again and again. Pag-ungtahan din taron guys. Guys, okay ba kayo guys? Na pag-ungtahan, clean cut guys. So, narita karon sa Quantum. Yato na to ganina si Owen kay exam nila karon. So, nya taod-taod magawa sa puto siya. So, magulat ang tasaya ha. So, muna yung eskwelahan guys. Quantum. The Quantum Academy. So, magulat to siya dire guys. Nakang palibot guys. Init kay guys. So, kanina pa rin ko dire. 9:30. Nag-what siya ha. 10:30 ang iyahang out or human siyang eskwela. So, ulat-ulat sa tadri guys.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I'm back at the house, guys. I'm waiting for the opening door, guys. That was a nice relaxing time, guys, because I could hear the music and then I'm just laying down. I feel much better, man, guys. Wow, guys. I'm so excited. I have nothing else to do, man, guys, except for playing, guys. Guys, I don't know what to say, man, guys. Sorry, man, guys. I thought you waited for nothing, man, guys. Sorry, guys. Let me wear my shoes. I can't wear my shoes naman, guys. I'm gonna go barefoot na lang, guys. Okay, guys, it's opening the door na, guys. How will I pull this off, guys? The floor is so hot, man, guys. I have to run, man, guys. Okay, guys. Ready? Open it. Unlock. Ready? 3, 2, 1, guys. Okay, go. Woo.
So, namin din karon sa vlog guys. So, maning human sa atuang vlog. Kay matulog na ni siya o magdula pa daw siya. So, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And God bless. Ano na siya guys? Wala na itong ginahulat. Wala yung exam. So, hi there baby.
Hi.
How are you?
Wait lang, I'm tired pa.
Tired pa?
Yeah, wait lang. Oh my god, how long have you been waiting there?
No, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes.
1 hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah. How took you so long?
Nagdula ko and no one called me, man.
Nagdula ka. I told you I just stay here. In the same spot.
Ay, the whole time?
Yeah.
I thought you're gonna go na.
No, I told you ganit, di ba?
I'm
So what did you
tired.
dula?
I was tired and I lost brain cells.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many brain cells have you lost?
Probably at least 50 to 90.
50 to 90.
Yes.
So,
What game did I play? It was the same game from PE.
what's that?
It was, I don't know. It's the, defenders, runners.
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
Air.
Yeah.
Hot.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello. Hello guys. I'm back from the SEM test, and I'm very tired because I play a game and I didn't know that. I thought Kuya Chloe is gonna go somewhere else, but no, what's this? Kuya Chloe.
My vape.
Your vape. Guys, Kuya Chloe's vaping, man, guys. You should not do that, guys. It's bad for your health, guys. You should tell Kuya Chloe, stop smoking, so that he can stop smoking and make his lungs feel better. So I'll see you later when I'm back at the house and well rested. Bye.